Good morning and welcome to our Dunkyspoons kitchen. Today I'm going to make a lemongrass hot chocolate. So first of all we heat our milk. We then pour our milk into our mug. And then we stir in our Dunkyspoon. I'm going to have a lemongrass one because I find it very, very refreshing. It's not a too strong flavour, it's quite nice and light. And I just find it, when I've had a bit of a hard day, it just refreshes me. So we stir in our spoon till it's melted. Obviously the hotter the milk, the quicker the spoon will melt. Stir it round. Nice hint of lemongrass. Doesn't have a really strong smell really. There we go. In a second. We then return our drink to the pan. I am very messy, as you can see. We then bring our milk back up to boiling point. So it's boiled for seconds. There we go. Then we return it to our mug, our nice Dunkyspoons mug, which are available on our website. We then, one final stir, give it a nice stir. You can add whipped cream to this, marshmallows, and pieces of fudge, sprinkles, anything you want really. And the next thing you do is you enjoy.